All right, so one of the expectations is to practice your math facts daily. And right now, you would go to your 4th grade Dolphins page, and this one you are going to your multiplication test. So you click on it, and you are up here you need to look at auto scored quizzes. Make sure you're on there, and right now we're on multiplication. You scroll down, and this is where we're looking at. The first one that you need to start with is your 2's. So you would click on this. You would put your name. So I'm going to put Mrs. Corbin. And then you can add picture hints off or picture hints on. You're going to do start self-correcting. And then I type my answer. And you just take your time. And as you do it, I keep wanting to hit the numbers. And then if you make a mistake, you can hit clear. And you just keep going until it stops. I want to show you the end of it. So we'll keep going. 6 times 2 is 12. 8. Now with this, you're going to want to, no helper charts on this one. This one is just to practice. Whoops. Okay, so now it's going to tell you, and this is the information that you need right here. So that means my time was less than a minute and I missed 2. So I got it 90%. So that is a passing score. So that meant tomorrow I would do the 3's. Now if I did not pass, then I would do my 2's again. If you did not pass, I want you to come down here and I want you to look at the ones you did in red. Red, it means you got it wrong. If it's yellow, that means you took a long time on it. So if it's red, I want you to write down that problem in your math book and I want you to practice that problem. So if it's red or yellow, those are the ones I want you to practice in your notebook before you do it again tomorrow. Now, with this, what you're going to do is you're going to take this score right here, because you're going to write that down. You're going to write down your time, and you're going to write down your percentage, because you're going to need it back in Google Classroom. So in Google Classroom, what you're going to do, let me get to Google Classroom. I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to sign in. Let me go ahead and sign in as, there's Oliver. Okay, I'm going to my classroom. I click my 4th grade. And now I go to my calendar. I'm going to be on the right, and this one is right here. It says, what fact family did you practice and what was your score? So you click on it, and then you type your answer over here. So my answer would be that it was 54 seconds and 90%. Oops, I forgot to put, I did my 2 fact families because I was multiplying by 2. Or you can just do it this way. You can do times 2. And that way I can see, and Dr. Hasty can see that you did your times 2's and you did it in 54 seconds and 90%. And then you would click turn in. You will be practicing these every day.